Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing and free online sites that you can be able to study digital marketing for free, but some you have to pay for certification. I've been talking about digital marketing in the previous videos, but today I thought it's important for me to show you where to get started in terms of learning digital marketing. There are several sites you can be able to study digital marketing, and I'm just going to list them and give you some details about the sites. The number one site is the Google Digital Skills Garage. This site is giving you an opportunity to study digital marketing for free and even get certifications for free. The site is accessible. You just need to sign up and get started. The number two site is the LinkedIn Learning, giving you an opportunity to access courses. However, you will have to pay for the certification. Number three site is the Twitter Flight School. Twitter Flight School is giving you an opportunity to be able to study more about Twitter advertising, and this site is free and you can be able to also access the courses for free. The other site is teaching you about Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger advertising. This site, you can also access the courses for free, but when you want to do the certifications, you will have to pay for the certifications. The other site is the HubSpot Academy, where you can also access the courses. The other site is Coursera. Coursera has a lot of courses in digital marketing. However, when you want to do certifications, you'll have to pay. We also have Skillshare, giving you a free trial period for you to access the courses for free. However, after some time, you'll have to, after the free trial elapses, you'll have to pay for the courses. And some courses, after the free trial elapses, you can access them also for free, which is something that is also amazing. I've mentioned about several sites, but this is something I also mentioned in the previous topic, in the previous video. If you want to get to understand digital marketing very well, as you go through these courses, please ensure that you are also practicing, like you getting practical. You can be able to get maybe an internship. You can, for you just to practice, you can do some projects related to what you are studying, for you just to understand these aspects very well. And also you can look for freelancing work in some of these freelancing sites, for you just to keep practicing and seeing your digital marketing skills. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much and have a great day.